Take a look at some of these snowfall totals expected by the end of December 17th. That is this coming Thursday. As Winter Storm Flynn makes its exit out into the Atlantic Ocean, look what's coming up right behind it. A nor'easter. This will be Winter Storm Gale. Where is it going to hit and when? Not only that, but what comes after. Here we go. Good morning, my friends. It is December 14th, 2020. We do have a specific anniversary on this day. I won't even get into it. Many of you know what that is. It is 10:46 a.m. And my friends, we got to talk about this nor'easter. Now, don't get me wrong. I know everyone's still talking about Winter Storm Flynn, but I think it's safe to say there is a little bit of an issue going on here with this nor'easter that's coming up towards the northeast. Oklahoma and some of those mid-states closer to the Gulf got hit with Winter Storm Flynn as it's now making its exit out into the Atlantic Ocean. But take a look at what's going to accumulate between the 16th and the 17th of December. Pennsylvania, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay, and then New York City, Long Island, New Jersey, New York. And if you notice, this time not so much Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, and those states up in the upper northeast closer to Canada. This is more of a Pennsylvania cutoff towards southern New York storm. And just to be clear, before we get into all this information, I am not the only one posting about a nor'easter. Everyone is talking about the possibility of this becoming a very significant storm, even a blizzard. You can see that very similar snapshot is right here under Eric Bentley's Twitter handle, including mine right here. So he posted very shortly after I posted the very same picture. And again, the main thing people want to know is time frame, and it's a little hard to predict exactly when and the exact amounts of snow. Let's just say the areas you're going to be seeing, prepare for some significant snowfall, and not just that powdery, icy snow. We're talking wet, thick, heavy snow because of the temperatures very close to that 32-degree mark. The warmer it is, or the closer to that 32-degree mark we are, the better chances of this snow packing very heavy, and that is why I believe we're seeing these totals that equal up to around 18 inches in some of these areas in central Pennsylvania. Now, really quick, as I move this ticker across, we can see Winter Storm Flynn making its exit finally into the Atlantic Ocean. We can see this big giant mess here affecting all the East Coast states for the most part. Even pulling moisture out of the Gulf is finally making its exit, but what we need to do is watch by Florida, Georgia, and pretty much Alabama, Mississippi area. This low pressure system is going to spin out right here and come right up to the northeast, and that is what we are looking at on this chart right here. And we can watch this snow accumulate over time and find out exactly when it's projected to make its beginning. All right, and now that I have this reset here, we are on the GFS total snowfall chart, and you can see right here this little bit of snowfall is actually from Winter Storm Flynn currently in West Virginia, maybe touching that northwestern edge of Virginia. But take a look at what happens over time going from now, the 14th, into the 17th, when the brunt of this nor'easter is going to take place. And again, we may have a little bit of a shift inside some of these snowfall totals. New York City, you're under watch for about 6 to 8 inches as of right now. That may rise. Parts of New Jersey could see 10 and 12 inches, and then parts of central Pennsylvania. Wait till you see this as I click forward. Each one of these clicks is a 6-hour time frame. We are now into Tuesday, December 15th. We will do 3 clicks for that, and now we are into the 16th, and now you're going to see the snowfall really begin. So Wednesday the 16th, late night Wednesday into Thursday is when we're really going to be picking up more and more of this precipitation. As you can see, we are into the 18th hour of Wednesday, which means we have 1 click to go, and then we are into the 17th, and now we're beginning to see Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and then that southern part of Pennsylvania beginning to get that snowfall. 13 to 17 inches in parts of the eastern side of West Virginia. Take a look at that. And now, as you can see, as we move forward into the 17th, this is still the same day. We're going to see that snow explode all over Pennsylvania. Here we go. And these are the final clicks of the 17th. Check out these totals, my friends. Not that these are guaranteed, but just the fact that this is the forecast. 17 inches, 14 inches, 15 inches. We are talking some areas in the upper elevations with 2 feet of snow. Also, for those of you that use this site, Vent2Sky, you can click on the snow tab right here and also get a generalized idea of what we're expecting. Check out Pennsylvania, my friends. By the 17th on Thursday, look at some of these snowfall totals. 14.6. We got 15 in there. So anytime you see this Barney colored purple into Allentown and parts of New Jersey right there. That western side of New Jersey could see over 10 inches, and then into New York, you can see that 6 to 8 inch range as of right now. That may rise, guys. Don't let that be set in stone. And just a little bit off topic here, but take a look at this. While I'm doing my research for Winter Storm Gale, I come up onto this drink recipe, Gale's Winter Storm. So apparently there's a lady out there named Gail who makes Winter Storm drinks, and I happen to fall onto it. So I have a feeling her website here is going to be getting a little bit more attention than usual, being that we have a named storm on its way to the northeast as a nor'easter called Gale's Winter Storm. So I figured I would just let you guys know about it now. Go ahead and check her out. We are going to go ahead and wrap up this update, my friends. We have a little bit more time to prepare for this storm, but what I'm letting you know right now is if you live in the northeast, any of these states, Pennsylvania, New York, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay, New Jersey, Long Island, New York City, even Connecticut, and some of those a little bit extended to the eastern states, anything north of that will probably be out of the loop as far as the major snowfall. Pennsylvania being the target area as of today. I will keep you all updated on the situation surrounding this nor'easter, but my friends, keep in mind, even after this is over, we have a pattern of these storms on its way. So by the 21st, we have another one to worry about. And then as we move forward around Christmas time, we have another one to worry about on Christmas Day. As of right now, up by the Great Lakes, this will affect many parts of Canada, including Ontario, maybe seeing a lot of heavy snowfall come Christmas Day. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps. I hope everyone is staying safe during these cold days and staying warm as well. Any questions or concerns, please leave down in the comment section below. Shout out to Canada, and I will talk to you all very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.